Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a smaller LED light. In past videos I made a big LED light for studio, taking photos, recording video. Actually I'm using my LED light right now, this one. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a smaller one that you probably can attach to your phone. So let's do it. It's going to be like this.
Did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for the sun. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
So guys, the glue is still drying, but now it can hold a bit of force here on the switch. See, very simple. As you can see, it says a long USB cable. I removed it from an old USB mouse. So as you can see, here is the small box. I'm gluing it with silicone glue. That's why it's going to take too long, but it's okay. You can use super glue if you want. So easy to do. So let's test it. I got here a 5 volts 1.2 amp hours amps 1.2 amps. It's a phone charger, so let's connect it and plug it to the wall. Let me move a bit my table. Okay, I plugged in and let's turn it on. Here we are guys, small light box, small 5 volt USB light box. Very easy to do at all. As you can see, it's not too strong like my 12 volts light box, but it works for selfies. It works even if I turn off my light here. It works, as you can see. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please share, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos.